Hi. So, do you know about what is the difference between general partner and limited partners? If no, then please be there. So, I'm gonna discuss about the difference between general partners and limited partners, because general partners and limited partners, there's the two different, the counterparts are very important in private equity business. If you don't know about it, then you cannot, you won't be able to apply the accounting treatment in a private equity business, and that's what you should know it. And if you're looking for a private equity accounting interview preparation, then I'm sure you may expect questions, lot of questions on general partners, limited partners, the rules, limited partnership agreement, management fees, incentive fees, committed capital, right? And how we charge the management fees in a private equity business, and how the private equity is different than the hedge fund, right? Here you may expect a lot of questions. That's what, so we have decided to discuss the about the different private equity concepts, and to explain it in a layman way which everyone can understand it. And here, if you see any question as such, then definitely you want to answer to it. That's the main intention we have. So I would request you, please be there. And if you like our initiative, please subscribe to our channel right away to get the notifications for latest videos or content whenever we upload it. And apart from that, if you like this initiative, please like this and share with others who are desperately looking for a job. Okay. And yeah, so we'll discuss about it. What is committed capital? What is committed capital? Here you may expect question, and why this is important, because in a private equity business, normal in a hedge fund, what we receive, how we receive the fund from the investor? We receive fund from investor in a subscription request, and in a mutual fund, same, we receive fund through subscription request, but the same fund that we received through committed agreement in a private equity business, right? And that's what we call committed capital. So it means investor, they commit you to process the payment whenever fund managers or general partners, they get a new business or unique business, and then after, the investors will process the funds and send the fund to the general partners account, and then general partners will manage that fund. But here you would see a lot of questions like how we charge the management fees, because in a private equity you cannot charge fees on asset under management, because we charge management fees on asset under management under the hedge fund, not the private equity fund. But here with the private equity, we charge the fees on a committed capital only. If I have committed the once year committed capital to the fund business, then fund managers, so general partners, they can charge the 2% management fees, 2-3 whatever it is, on my committed capital, how much capital that I have committed, not the invested one. Correct? That's the one point here you would see the difference. And apart from that, what about general partners? General partner, it means it's a normal investors. General partner, it means it's a fund managers who manage the fund. Sometime you would see the difference between general partners and even fund managers. Fund manager can play role like CEO, and general partners play the role like board of directors of a company. So it means board of directors or general partners, they can decide or they can appoint one fund managers to manage the funds of limited partners or investors, right? And if the fund manager is managing the fund of investors, then investors, they are liable to pay the management fees and as well as incentive fees to whom? To the general partners, because that is their income. That's what they provide, management services or asset service, that investing services to the investors. And here the important part is the limited partnership agreement, which we called LPA, limited partnership agreement. which are the general partners and limited partners, they signed, and then after this deal will initiate. And if I take the example of, let's say I have committed 10 million capital, or maybe investors they committed 10 million capital, then fees will be charged on 10 million into 2%, then it goes around almost 2 lakhs. Then 2 lakhs management fees will be paid to the general partners. And who will pay it? The investors will pay it. To whom? To the general partners. Why? Because general partners will manage the investing activity, accounting activity, admin activity, audit, and a number of other activities would be, they will manage it. There are n number of other things as well, right? But this is the little bit difference between general partners and limited partners. If you want in detail session about all the different private equity accounting concept, technical concept, if you want it, comment the below. Then definitely someday I'll pick up the the each and every concepts, and well I'll prepare the session for all the concept which you are looking for. So I would say please text your the opinion in the comment section. We'll pick up it out and we'll develop the session for you. Yeah, here the general partners and limited partners, if you want to read in depth, then you can purchase the material. So GMT is offering the material which is in only 999. So you can get the material for hedge fund as well as private equity in only 999. That's it. And if you want free content, then you can visit the site www.ipfundaccounting.com. There already we have posted hundreds of blogs on private equity, hedge fund and banking content. You can access that in free of cost as well. If you want in detail session, so you can text or comment in a comment section. Then as I committed, I'll pick up the concept and prepare the video on it. Okay, so now I'll take your leave. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us directly. So I have provided you the application link as well, so you can download GMT application, and also you can call us to take the advice about your career and all. Ultimately, we are here to help you. We are here to resolve your problems, and we want to resolve your problems. Actually, you can also reach out to our clients as well, I mean, who got the trainings from us, right? They are very happy with the feedback or the trainings or the facility they have received, and they're working with the top-notch companies as well. If you're looking for the same, then you can reach out to us. Definitely will help you to push you to the next level or to level up yourself in this corporate. We'll see you next session. Bye. Yeah, take care meanwhile. Yep. Thank you for watching this.